Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add effects to your video on the Premiere Rush application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the video that you have inserted, or tap on the plus icon in order to select the video or photo that you want to edit. Now tap on the effects button down below, and as you can see, you have a vast variety of options that you can choose from, such as dissolve, black, white, wipe left, wipe right, wipe up, wipe down, slide left, slide right, up, down, push left, right, up and down. So if you tap on the relevant one, then you will be able to see that you have added the effect to your video. And if you play it, it will be displayed to you. If you click on the motion option down below, you can select these options. The auto reframe option is a premium feature, so it's only available to those who have purchased the premium. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.